Follow these tips to ensure you get the best performance time and time again from your Beldray Airgo Cordless. Insert the end of the charging adapter into the charging port located on the unit. Connect the mains power adapter to the power supply and turn on. The charging indicator light will flash red during charging and will remain illuminated once the battery is fully charged. The Beldray Airgo Cordless comes with a Vacube Bag pre-installed. When this bag is full, the unit will cut out and the solid red warning light will appear. Ensure the vacuum is switched off. Lift the dust container release latch and open the dust chamber lid. Hold the cardboard collar on the dust bag and pull firmly away from the vacuum. The bag can now be disposed of. Fit the replacement bag. Insert the cardboard collar into the slot inside the dust chamber. The Vacube bag will have an arrow on the collar to show the correct way to insert. Close the dust container, ensuring the lid clicks back into place. Do not attempt to use the vacuum without a bag fitted or with the lid open. The unit will not turn on if a Vacube bag is not installed or the dust chamber lid is open. This is a safety feature. Performing regular cleaning of the brush bar and checking for blockages will help to maintain optimum suction and prolong the life of your Beldray vacuum cleaner. Switch off the vacuum cleaner and remove the floor brush from the extension tube by pressing the floor brush release button. Hold the brush bar release lock open and lift out the brush bar using the floor brush release tab. Clean any built-up dust, debris and hair from the brush bar and floor brush. Replace the brush bar into the floor brush by aligning the indents on the left side of the brush first and then the right. Firmly push down the brush bar into the floor head and press the release tab into place, locking it into position. We also advise that you check regularly for blockages in the air inlet and extension tube. By following these steps in this video, you will ensure that you get the best performance and prolong the life of your Beldray Airgo Cordless.